Alright, hey there YouTube. We're back in the garage working on a side project for the Gold Jeep. You guys probably remember me mentioning that I kind of wanted to upgrade some parts for the cooling system and other things, but I kind of wanted to try a high flow water pump, so that's what this is. But this is one that I kind of scrapped together myself. So on the forums, some people praise those pumps, other people kind of condemn them. I just want to try it out, but I didn't want to spend like the $200 that Flow Cooler or Hesco is asking for one of these. So on my search in the forums, somebody mentioned that the 2001 4.0 Wranglers, they copied or modified the design of the impeller for those Jeeps. So I looked on Rock Auto and I found one. That's what this is from. I bought it, and then I bought the cheapest one. That's the part number and stuff off Rock Auto that had a metal impeller. I didn't want one of the plastic or composite ones. And then I bought a brand new pump for the 93 off of there. And so they came in the other day, so I got to work. Took the Wrangler pump all apart. One thing to note too is the flange that's how they mount the radiator fan on these, and it just screws on right there. And then this bearing too, I think, is the same bearing that goes into these housings. So if I have to replace it, now I got a spare bearing, because I don't know. I've found in the past what bearing to use, but I've lost the link and stuff. So I got a spare bearing right here just in case. And then I got a piece of junk aluminum. Maybe if I get into forging or foundry stuff, we can melt this thing down and make something with it. But anyway, so I made this myself. Got the Wrangler one all taken apart, and then I cut the impeller off to where this piece was left, and then I used this pulley remover set for like your power steering pulleys, installer and remover, and it worked out really good. And then because this shaft for the Wrangler pump is smaller, I had to measure this, and it turns out it's like 5/8. So I had some drill bits, so I was able to chuck this up in the lathe, center it, and then I drilled through it, which it took a while because my drill bits aren't all that good. And this stuff, while it's like an aluminum alloy, it was still pretty hard to cut through with those crappy bits. But I eventually got it, cleaned it all up, and then I pressed it on there. I may press it on just a little bit more, because that gap right down inside of there seems a little bit farther than what the stock one was. So I might press it on a little bit more. But so I built my own, and I did it about $50 plus shipping and handling. So I'm gonna say probably like 60 or $70. So that beats spending $200 on one when I could do it myself. So depending on, we'll see if it works. This is an experiment. If you guys are interested in like more of the steps, like how to do this, I'd be willing to show you guys, to help you guys like save some money if you'd like. Just let me know in the comments though. And then make sure to like the video, and then if you want to subscribe to the channel, so then you can know when I end up doing it, if you guys ask me to do it. But yeah, there it is, my own DIY high flow water pump for the XJ 4.0. So I think that's it though that I wanted to talk about. Yeah, just let me know, and till next time, y'all take care now.